Hey everyone, Jim T. Graham with RCGroups.com with today's Zap Blue tip of the week with Mike from Zap. I want to tell you something very personal, and that is whenever I use Kicker, I will go back upstairs and my wife will look around in the air and say, "Have you been using Kicker?" She loves the smell. I swear I could spray it on my shirt, go out to dinner, and she would think that was great. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about all the different kinds of kickers you can use, where to get them. I will have links below, and then you can follow that to a feature article on rcgroups.com. I think a lot of us think that we all know about Kicker, but I look at stats on a daily basis, and 30% of the users on RC Groups are new all the time. So there are people that don't even know Kicker exists, and Kicker is a magical tool that allows you to take any Zap Glue of a CA variety, spray it on, and have an instant adhesion, which can come in handy for certain tasks. So without any further ado, let's jump on in to Mike, and we will talk to him, or he will talk to us and tell us all about Kicker. Let's go.
Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're going to talk about zip kickers. This is the accelerator for the Zap CA line. So why don't you zoom on in as we're talking about these. So this is a heptane-based accelerator, so it will not attack finishes. So your paints or your oil-based finishes and whatnot. If you get a little bit of overspray on that, just wipe that off. You're going to be just fine. So we offer this in a 2-ounce pump. So it does come with your pump spritzer here. We have it in a 2-ounce aerosol, a 5-ounce aerosol, a refill bottle for your pump, and then for the foam safe or odorless. So if you are sensitive to some of the CAs or even these accelerators, that's where this the foam safe accelerator comes in. This will not melt or eat away at the foams. So if you got questions on our accelerators, check out some of the other videos we've done. I want to do a quick introduction for you so that you can see all the different offerings of accelerators. But hey, if you got questions, give us a call, 630-584-7616, or check us out at www.robart.com.
So once again, that's all the adhesives. The Zip Kicker AC accelerator, you can get it in a pump and a spray, foam safe, all the good stuff. Below, just click that link and it's going to take you to an article, and it's going to go to everything you need to know. I'll probably put in some additional videos so that you can learn even more about how Kicker works. It's super simple and super effective. I'm Jim T with RC Groups. That was Mike with Zap Glue, and this has been your Zap Tip of the Week.